All right, guys, we're ready for our second sheet. This one is much better. The printer did a much better job printing out this one. This is going to be very, very challenging, but don't worry, we're going to do it together. So you'll need to get out the second sheet that says identifying coins and their values with 4/14. We are going to have to decide what each of these are worth. If we look at our first one, can anybody guess what this is? If you said nickel, you're right. And we know by our song, nickel, nickel, thick and flat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that, so I need everyone to write a number 5 above the nickel. Remember, parents and kids, you can pause this at any time to catch up if I'm going too fast. So we have our 5 above our nickel. And next, this is our good old penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth, 1 cent. So we need to put a 1. Now, we just need to add these together. So if we have 5 plus 1, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do we have a 6 over here? We do. So we just draw a line from our dime and our penny to our 6 cents. And guess what, guys? You just counted money. Good job. All right, let's move on to our next one. Small, kind of like our penny, but definitely not our penny. So that means it's dime, little and thin. I remember. You're worth 10. Good job. So we need to put a 10 above our dime. Oh, there's that guy again. Penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. So 1 and another 1, 1 and another 1. All right, so we have 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So let's do 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's see if we have 13. 13. All right, we're getting to a little bit harder ones now. Ooh, this is our big one, so that means it's a quarter. Quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I'm told. 25. These guys are in every one, so we know that this is a what? Yep, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. And we have another one, so another one. We are not going to be able to count this on our hands very well because 25 is a very big number. But if we keep 25 in our head and just keep counting, we can count it. Ready? 25, 26, 20, yes, 27. And look, it's our first one, 27. All right, we're on our last one, and even though we can know what it is by looking at our numbers, we still need to count it. All right, we have a little guy again. Dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth. Yes, you're worth 10. What would that one be? Nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5. I know that. So we'll need to write a 5 up here. Oh, and another nickel, so we need to write another 5. And I'm going to teach you a really easy way to do this. So we have 10 over here. Let's do 5 plus 5. What's 5 plus 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So if we add these together, That makes 10. And what's 10 plus 10? Remember, if we count by tens, it's 10, 20. And look, we have a 20. Kindergartners, this was a very challenging work, and I am so happy that you learned how to count money with me.